So what if wellness was something that you did not have to keep fixing, but something you actually deeply understood about yourself and build your entire everyday life around knowing what works for you and what doesn't work for you? So rather than looking for quick fixes, what if you could learn to live a way of life where your inner balance is naturally maintained? And exactly, yes, yoga and Ayurveda approach to living is deeply healing approach to naturally keeping your energy levels high, or keeping your hormones in a balanced state, keeping your muscles and bones really strong for a lifetime, keeping your digestion really optimal, keeping your blood sugar levels stable, keeping your bowels clear, keeping your skin radiant, and keeping your mind calm and grounded. Hi, I'm Deepthi and I am creating a very experiential 9-day yoga and Ayurveda immersion program planned in Bali for August 2026. So it's more than just a retreat where we explore how to actually live the preventive yoga and Ayurveda practices in daily life in a way that stay with you for a lifetime. So in this wellness tour, I go deeper to make you understand and live the powerful yoga and Ayurveda approach. You will learn to create simple, sustainable rituals that support your body and mind. So you start your day with Ayurveda Dinacharya practices and lymph detoxifying and digestion enhancing yoga movements, which are aligned with breath that switch the gears of the body from stress towards healing, rest and relaxation. And you also understand how these small little shifts can make a huge difference in how you look, how you feel, how your body behaves, how your wellness shapes up in the long run. So through the day you live and practice Ayurveda rituals and practices and eat sattvic, specially created meals that heal the body and the mind. So these meals are designed on the idea of food as medicine that really bring about drastic shifts in your body along with the yoga practices. So this is an invitation for those who are really connected to this idea and a gentle request to share their interest through a short form below. So this will really help me shape the experience in a way that is truly meaningful. And if this is something that resonates with you, I would love to create this journey with you. Please click the link and share your thoughts. It will only take you 2 minutes to co-create a deeper wellness journey with me.